Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
A dwell Tach tester measures ignition contact dwell angle in degrees or points per distributor. Know whether your engine uses points, electronic ignition, or a transistorized module. Confirm battery voltage is 12, 0 to 13, 5 volts before testing. Turn off ignition and disconnect the coil negative terminal before connecting leads. Identify the distributor, coil, and ground locations visually and in the service manual. Note the cylinder count such as 4, 6, park the vehicle with parking brake engaged and engine off for safety. Connect the tester red lead to coil positive or switched 12V supply at the coil terminal. Connect the tester black lead to a clean engine ground on the block or head. Connect the tester yellow or signal lead to the coil negative or the condenser side of the points. Recheck all connections for tightness and insulation before cranking the engine. Always wear eye protection and keep hands clear of moving parts. Crank the engine while an assistant holds the starter at steady speed around 200 RPM. Read the dwell angle on the tester and note fluctuations or instability. Compare the dwell reading to the service specification, such as 28 degrees to 34 degrees for a typical 4-cylinder with points. If the dwell is out of range, stop the engine and loosen the points mounting screw slightly. Rotate the distributor plate to increase or decrease dwell as needed. Tighten the screw and retest until the dwell matches the target specification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.